So we already have the rumor of Adam Cianciarulo retiring next year, and now from the Pulp Show we hear that that guy right there, Jorge Pardo, apparently or supposedly, however you want to say it, has a 3-year deal with Kawasaki on the table, which would be a huge move going from MXGP on the gas, titles, being part of the KTM group for so long, straight over to America, which he did a pretty good job in Supercross for the, was it 4 rounds he got to run because he had an extra week or two because whatever, MXGP first round got pushed back, whatever. But to move from an Austrian brand with the Red Bull sponsorship to Kawasaki, he's going to have to move, you know, to Monster Energy, I'd assume. I can't believe that they let him stay Red Bull Kawasaki. That doesn't make sense. And from one brand to another, Austrian to Japanese, and it'd be a big move. Obviously, if it is a 3-year deal, if he does get that kind of support and security, I guess you'd want to call it, for them just saying like, yeah, we're going to give you the time to get used to it, come over here and compete and be, not have to worry about it. You're not getting a 1-year contract where you have to come over and do amazing at start. And I don't know. It does sound like it though, if that's the truth, because obviously the rumor bouncing around of him going to Kawasaki has been bounding around for a while. So that's not exactly a new thing. The time frame for it definitely is the new part, and with the whole thing of maybe Adam retiring, it kind of sounds like this is more of the puzzle pieces falling into place. Obviously, it looks like he wants to come over here, coming over and racing Supercross this year, and looking pretty good, I would say. Being young, it's great because he's not going to come over at the end of his career and be kind of, I don't want to say washed up, on the slower side of things. This is coming over in his prime, leaving MXGP, leaving, one title, maybe another one, and then coming to race Supercross and outdoors, I would assume. It could be a big change. I think he's going to do well if he does, if this is a full commitment. It's not come over and I'll race a couple rounds here or there or whatever. If he comes over and it's, I'm going to be racing in America, I'm going to do Supercross and motocross, and this is going to be where I am now for at least the next foreseeable future for 3, 4, 5 years. I think it'll be great, and it's going to be another big name, another fast guy. It's not going to be a top 10 guy. It's going to be a fighting for podiums, fighting for win guy, somebody to challenge Jet Lawrence, and I think it'll be great. But you guys tell me in the comments below. One, do you think it's actually going to happen? Does he go to Kawasaki? If this, does this actually come to fruition? Two, if he does, how well do you think he does? Moving to a different band, different sponsors, different country, everything. How well do you think he fares over here in the long term? Whereas like the 3 or 4 races he showed, he was okay. Some good bursts of speed, but over the long term, how well do you think he does in a full season scenario? But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.